Do you want to see something cool? Okay, let's measure the density of the paints that we normally make here. So I mix this paint up, and we use this tool to measure the density of the paint. It is called Pycnometer. So first measure the weight of this cup. The most important thing about these tests is that we should have exactly 100 milliliter of the paint inside the cup. So there is a hole in the center of this lid which allows the extra paint to come out. So I fill the cup with the paint. So when I got this cup completely cleaned, then I will measure its weight, and because I already know the volume of the paint that I put it inside the cup, I can easily measure the density of the paint. This is something that we normally measure for all of the paints that we develop here. We don't need the extra paint, so we close the lid.